I'm not going to put the sisters more there. Your mother, I wouldn't do that. I am being charitable. I don't think I'm going to go the way the guy does.
Exactly.
But I put your father there just so your father will know that. Sesabi, made it to one feeling okay. This is what Obano Emma Yam Crofoma. When him say page be was social media, me a friend Marijata. Now it these celebrities at him. What will you do if I told you that this is the girl behind that page? Marijata. Some page in these celebrities at him, taking celebrities to the clinic. This is the girl behind it. A very evil, devilish, cruel, callous human being who has no mercy for human beings. Na kaneba papa o deny says papa ne nyane papa William Ketchner ne ba ne di William o baba akope na na mekire okwan ofa so a owo baba akunu otimi sa go on a certain say ono da ba akowia be 7 months on tenenka obepie o se onyem obeba next also onyem 7 months or tell a story. I will show you all that. And penny from chroma or dead we have the child record or Jessica we are or more no Jessica. You'll be shocked. More fire. And I will withhold some of the information for tomorrow's sake. Fire. And he is in bed. Akwawe eshen in your mercy. You can never understand this kind of journalism. Who be we are said that? Says Kofi Adie. Now see Kofi a year. Minor Kronua. How does criminal precisely what's here to say? Exactly. Yeah, information, yeah, discover information and yeah, information say Melissa Taylor no crano and Danny Fanayere no ne handle Fanny handle at all. Ne no Twitter. It's a free network, so did you matamwa? Ne no X account Marisa Schwartz Taylor. Now, Oko Twitter, I am Marisa S. Taylor. Kevin Taylor, anytime Kevin Taylor, bet you Matemiano. Monkwana, you didn't pay just go to Natum. Whatever, yes, of course. And they cannot, and I think the only reason, if only, so Oko on Instagram, so Marisa Schwartz Taylor, Kevin Taylor, okay? Or yeah, Juma, New York Times. So yeah, I was a senior photo editor at New York Times in Washington. Now we are compiling all the things we are compiling. And you better say New York Times said, Kevin Taylor and the owners of With All Due Respect. So we are asking New York Times that Omuwa Kano, Onene Nikunu, Omu for me With All Due Respect Chrono. So Omu de be abusing, Omu de be defaming, but the same women are they going to use it as local terrorism, inciting violence against other people? Is that what they formed it to do? So Kevin Taylor, a page in it. Now, on sure I don't want private. Okay? Okay? Now, Kevin Taylor, he condone the stupidity, the foolishness, the abuse of women. This guy every day, and the Ghanaian society more accepted this as a normalcy. Are we mad as a nation? Because it favors a certain political party. This guy says, and we just to say, now we quantity say, now we do it room, just every, and I do almost every topic he picks, he has to go and end his sexuality of somebody doing something. He never presented Anna Afrifa, Anna Neire, and you use to Anna and you can say any quantity. Ovi, Akasakwasia we, Akamaba Puno, Tinta so good so, Adjon so good so, because he doesn't deserve to be in it. And now in 2015, Kwasiam Penny, Omufia in the CHD, Nana Yideni trap picture post here, a caption on the man. Please excuse the building in the background. It is under renovation. Kevin Taylor fear Baba Toye. Nayana Ferry. It's in the Irene caption 2015. Was he excusing the background because it's under it is Obama Warren and Free and Kwabucha. Which is such a baller bed is the one that is holding and the way the control press the mama. Just look at that. And the Kwasia say and it's me control a whole minister of foreign affairs. Say Coco closely foreign now on also the America. Okuja try and it was a mirror. No close. Because Kwasia way in the mirror of justice. How did we get here? Why have we accepted nonsense and stupidity? Because it favors a certain political party. He cannot engage in any intellectually stimulated conversations based on facts, evidence. So every conversation has to end up with. But Papa, you see, for video, ODD a branch here now. You ask Dr. Waski, an F. So what's it? This thing is taking a toll on you. Now let's listen to the Yenchi. But video, what did this branch?
Juma or Yentina Papa D, Emma Boy, a defrauding Kwadwo. Baby, I be I did the Williams and Nephi Sapon. Nema mini Yegunsa. Yegunsa. Williams and Nephi Sapon, Nema mini, Nema Misu, a family of thieves. Every single thing about
okay. So Papa, and you know why you better you know why. So you see, because he doesn't have evidence on the guy, now he will rope in other people who are important in your life and call them names, abuse them. Where mommy it's Papa, and this guy doesn't know William and Papa. Obana send this picture command. And the Sunday, and Sansa Dali. On the Sunday, picture command. And look at the way our Bano Emia abuse will be my mini papa. Yes, and Chido Kafa, my mino papa. Yenji.
Yeah, Bomutu. Person. Yegunsa. Williams and Nephi upon them, I mean, a family of thieves. Every single thing about them. Do not ever Ushianko for ya Bomutu. Juma or Yentina Papa D, Emma Boy, a defrauding Kwadwo. Baby, I be I did the Williams and Nephi Sapon. Nema mini Yegunsa. Yegunsa. Williams and Nephi Sapon. Nema mini Nema Misu a family
and I will read but Obana and Sansa. You see the way she takes delight in a bit, and she's been doing this thing not be today. Obana were evil. When you what should shop bonsam na ucha ane hua bonsam ye ni baby. More fire. Now yanko na kofi yenya adwuma bi. Yari ka kyerɛ m so on the Shemarija ta page na chi. To the celebrities atema ono a. Now on this branch here running criminal syndicate.
Precisely.
And some of the information are very sensitive.
More fire.
More fire. Or say okay, so Danny Chiromo video be what the dollars go for moi. Or see Anton Krama obi. Sometimes no could dupe obi $100,000.
More fire.
Now was a Akwawe a bolabedi. Wako chiro maybe on Twitter say as if say and ne call CID no CID on record CID phone call chain on call CID bia. And so you infantile in the brain so much so that even the way he okay, so let's listen to this conversation. We'll come back. ENT.
Come on. Wait a minute, wait, Juma, penny for Juma pa. Mr. This is a message to Foster. Catch your Foster, sir. Ni uban kitengete na watu ni Range Rover na eba na etonyum no ebo di amanfo asom di noise pollution. Kajen say me ba Ghana in a matter of 6 days on 2 contracts alone with only 2 hospitals. I've made the sum of I didn't do any check deals, they all cash. A sum of $100,000. 1, 2. Come on. Wait a minute, wait, Juma, penny for Juma pa. Mr. This is a message to Foster.
Okay, so Danny, hold on. Obwa Omeya contract deals on any hospital. On record, she does not have any hospital anywhere within the jurisdiction of Ghana. Put that on record. So Benya Sikante sa, what do POB na afa? One Kabintela. And that is what they do. They blackmail people into paying them money. And I'm going to show you. Okay? Now, some of the people are in government. Some of them are prominent people. Some of them are rich men in Nigeria. Rich men in Nigeria. There's a rich man in Nigeria called Femi. But what do you be? This girl keeps for so many periods. I mean, years. Or dupino. Or telling a story. Or then that one. My case Ronya. What do you? So first of all, about Obano, Yensha video.
Man, Sansa Kromai.
Danny Bo one of the videos are also on him. Okay? And this is a video. Okay, so let's look at this picture. Where on him picture on him. Now I hope you are doing well. Share a sorono, share nipana ni din e wo sorono. Femi, okay, me say Nigeria needs can be one in Nigeria. I will do pino. Now, on no double qua, me say one thing and car after 7 months. Now I back. Now I chiro say minyum. Onyum. Gani what we are seeing and the Bible cope. Your friend Manu Williams. But I will show you a picture where was Shada corner down for fee and another down for neba. Or call Jane tree and no fuano. And the trap picture. And the cocan story. Okay? She's so crazy. And if I ever sat down for such a person to get into authority, positions of power, I don't know what this girl will use that position to do. Now, I hope you are well. Not that I expect any kind of affection or remotely any hint of concern. But I just want you to know that we are doing fine. And the baby is due in 18 to 22 days. So the storytelling will be that Akolano oba premature for Safa TV Akolano oba premature. Because the story must travel from Akolane premature into Akolane healthy. Still, I know Gusutria, now Wujiska, and only Kevin Taylor need this uncle. That is how come Kevin Taylor came to mount a stiff defense when we are going after her. Precisely so. It was the baby will come in 18 to 22 days. Or baby be any baby. Now, Danny, Famekone book video of a year, all that scammy will be said. Danny Bobby. I got
no reply. I hope you're okay, because I am. I'm William Hayes, and the baby is okay.
Danny, hold on. Never what we are saying about your friend William. Okay? Okay? Now, or best scammy will be so one. Now, emotional blackmail will be because pay attention to the body mannerism. Won't pay attention.
It's depressing.
And it's starting.
If I don't get in touch. I sent you a message a couple of days ago. I got no reply. I hope you're okay, because I am. I'm William Hayes, and the baby is okay. It's depressing that if I don't get in touch with you and update you, you never ask how the pregnancy is or how I am. But that's okay. I understand. I know I'm not part of your priorities because you're working on your family, and so it seemed like I only come to you when I need help with something. Well, I just wanted to update you that I have 2 months more to go. Take care. I sent you a message a couple of days ago. I got no reply. I hope you're okay, because I am. I'm William Hayes, and the baby is okay. It's depressing.
And Govi, this is their modus operandi. Precisely. On Kevin Taylor, I say, hold on, Danny, hold on, we'll come to this video. On Kevin Taylor, this is what they've been doing to big men in this country for years.
More fire.
And NDC allows such a cruel, callous. That is how come this guy doesn't have parameters in this world when he's going after people, because he's such an inhumane. And most so in the name of say or fighting. Now my can't NDC for shape on a day a Bible and a snap by it. A dan and near echo. Now the slaves in echo. See the make Benyansa for me boom. Mr. Ship on the Bible and a snap by it. A dan and near ship on echo and the slaves in the coin. And someone most say, Kwasia when the mobile. Bola bed when the mbaya and done any on one beside Mako. I'm telling you, because in the past 1 week, 2 weeks, we are supposed to be discussing your Mahama dollar about from yes, and then they are discussing because of Kevin Taylor and Kwasa 70. And when the controlling President Mahama Jenny, Kevin Taylor, Manu could try the true summary of justice. Any power one go school. Any power one go school. Or we are presec one go school. Marriage certificate no audit a yabuchi. At a year a papa fee, and you didn't quite few. They get a papa fee. I don't catch on Monsieur Baby. Okatakyie say, can you Japan crowd couldn't take, and I may can Japan. And me have taken it as a walk up. It's not beef. It is me standing up for yet the rights of the people that this idiot continues to abuse. A fool of a person, a clown of a human being, continues to abuse people any which way possible. And we support this nonsense. So, or that no never panic what girl never party as and what sick girl never pay fee.
Just look at that. Idiot of it.
So, Kobe, yes, I share second video. Our blackmailing people with pregnancy. Yes, I hear you. Yes, I hear you.
I've not had a decent communication with you for close to 2 months. And anytime that I get a response from you, or anytime I get a small message from you or a short message from you, is when you wire money and I don't receive it on time, or you wire money and I communicate with you about it. It's not all about money. Life is not always about money. Yes, I need money. Yes, I need all the help that I can get.
So, wait. And then you kwatika krebi. Washa. Or you should reverse psychology. Life is not all about money. And then we all say, yes, I need money. Yes, I need car. I need this. Blackmail. Let's move on.
Anytime I get a small message from you or a short message, when you wire money and I don't receive it on time, or you wire money and I communicate with you about it. All about money. Life is not always about money. Yes, I need money. Yes, I need all the help that I can get. Yes, I need a car urgently. But sometimes showing concern, showing some care does help more than money could ever do. This maybe is going to be induced on the 28th of this month, which is less than 2 weeks. Ask why this.
Okay, so Danny, the entire hotel story say this baby is going to be induced. I'm going to show you. So the story will graduate from one time to another, even to the point that who we are. A story must continue. No, they are Jessica. And who honor for Kubusa and Sakola Sakolana. Sana Kolani Yari or Yefun. And or buy na Kolana Yaria Akolana Woodia Beno. So let's keep going. Let's keep going. Okay. Now, Danny, I said the
more than money could ever do. This maybe is going to be induced on the 28th of this month, which is less than 2 weeks. Ask why this is happening. You know, what is really going on? You not picked up your phone to call or text. Hey, why is this baby coming earlier than its term? I have gone through a whole lot of emotional trauma. I've done this by myself. You cannot say you did this with me because you supported me when I needed money. You cannot say that. This is a pregnancy. If anybody were doing this to your kid, I don't think you'd be happy about it. But I think it's the punishment from God for dating a married man, I think. And I've always asked God for forgiveness. I hope he forgives me.
For forgiveness from God, he has to forgive you because you are a criminally minded individual. You are evil. You don't have any parameters. You don't have any roadblocks in you. When you set your mind out that you want to go after people, and I keep telling people, but for me, waiting patiently for them to make their first strike. If indeed this girl had any criminal act on me, I want you too. I want Kevin Taylor to maybe to jail. They didn't know that when they edited documents, I was patiently waiting for them. Kept warning you. Me so the information we will reserve it for proper time. And penifo be bra blackmail omo chat wa. And penifo be bre omo chat wa. Now, yan shade. Owie ye no. Kofi yan ko he chat bi on femi e chat. A o demand sika. Na o say ensanu den bi yeah WhatsApp chat. Yeah, Danny, okay. So, Danny, zoom in. Zoom in. I want to. Okay, so where we along the line, as well. Danny, for picture now, or breastfeed ya kola ne bra. For picture now, or breastfeed ya kola ne bra. Aha. Now we were corner down for fee. And we are corner down for ba. Eti. Akola na ogina ho ne de e ne ba ye friend William ene me no kase kura no court order agi akola na ma ne papa eti ne papa na o custody William Kitchen na o custody. Now as we speak as we speak sa akola we nya ne ba but wa sheda e ma ne no for because o de ba ko kan story a kire obi o say o shisha juma Mosi ya fanto ni yamra chena. Yenya no.
Wachina ne aba. Oma he breastfeeding.
Oma he breastfeeding.
Said one kind na ko breastfeeding.
What dey jenioma.
Aketu ya papa ko a do ye ho adwuma. Aketu ya pa. Utua no hoka aye adwuma bode ko abaso. O tebe da be.
Okay, mumi enya ye.
Ero aro. Fire. Breastfeeding here. Obo akemu asem.
Ohene more fire.
Be kwen. Be kwen. Yenya ne meto aso wanzi. Ano dey.
So what's the number?
Echina.
Echina Monday. They should come and listen to the list. More fire. Part 1.
But before say mo bekono. You hunu chat bi ano ni obi discuss about sika or mo che and we go interested. Now Danny Fasa chat na etuso. Chat bi a use 020 number. Now who true caller. Yeah baba be tell that story. But who true caller. But sa number no. And if you don't take care, you wouldn't know because enipa ni Ghana. So you wouldn't know that nipa. Okay, so Danny Fabra Fasa chat number. Fasa chat number. 02 chat bi a 020. Okay, so Danny zoom in na fa ne number no chat ne number no na obi o true caller bia mo ne ahwa de Danny mo am ko hwe obi o true caller bia o fa sa. Okay, so true caller, so how much did they pay out of the requested amount? 25k blah 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 watch it. But who true caller boss our number we e fa shim ne baba we din komo on Wednesday.
More fire.
If you have a true caller,
More fire.
And this is a character your mama appointing to a board. Your mama just want the memory diagram. And up till now, CI this Monte. So I'm after the girl. Monte. Now I'm so true caller here. Will be all true caller be for some number we should be here. Never any pakwe any number. 020 220 385 3853 020 220 3853 Mummo sana manishe na mo hwade dabi Mummo she true column na mo hwade pakro Mummo ye baba beto so on Wednesday Mummo she true column na mo hwade pakro ubo she true column hwan ya 020 220 3853 yeah Boshe mu boshe mai hwan Kevin Taylor Obi a wo de oboshe mu hu atro ba be boshe true caller ma be hu bia tro
Boshe o ma di o
Messi obi a wo kura yi bia no
true caller
boshe na hwade
na hwade beba edi beba
Criminal syndicates.
It's a criminal syndicate, and we are going to go deep into it. Such a criminal is the one that controls your mama in this country. Ya tu abama your mama so mebu mai. Kwasia we shene yire. Ose, the name is Kevin Taylor. Yes. It is a one way ya because I Ghana number no di boni nti. You will not be able to see say you on one. So dear, we are yes.
More fire.
This girl is a criminal. On the Kevin Taylor, they are criminals. And what's it? Kevin Taylor. So we saw the chat or more discuss this guy, and we will come back on Wednesday and continue. Why? We will come back. And this is the personal or controlling and this. Now, Mr. Shep no adi a yen snap on it Bible buying. And done any of the slaves in Echo. What? The next week, yes, I be discussing gay week. Meanwhile, I can discuss your mama. Good. Kevin Taylor kwasienti. Why not change it?
Jimmy Taylor.
Ya baba be chere femi but Danny fa on Mike Ezro nye a chat o ka say femi atua 62,000 Ghana dollars any ade me say you so bra
more fire. I bend them.
Danny fa no bra ye fa no nwie so zumi no say hey it will show Mike Eze or ka Mike Ezro nye I say, hey, I just received receipts of a year wire transfer of 62,000 from Femi. I've requested the rest be broken down and I have 50,000 sent to you, and the rest sent straight to Ghana. I'm waiting for his response. Now my cousin you say, okay, we will come back and we'll have discussion.
More fire.
And if I tell you Pennyfo will come her, or this idea we do, it's in a Pennyfo into me. Bobby, you better to us on Wednesday.
A doctor for
and how did we get to a point, Akofi?
Last fire.
I say,
Last fire.
a doctor for
how did we get to a point where I mean obi fa obi maame obi afo obi papa obi yadu obi turum and obi kwate now we are gay now. Why are you so fixated on sexual and adubwa he and there obi ne yere da and hwan na Okatakyie o yere kokko and ya fire burum ya fa you are a fool. If you discuss these matters, it shows the level of your intellect, because there is no depth, there is nothing in your brain, you don't have intellectual firepower. And Ghana for not getting any more TNT. What is there in this society, Akofi? And can man be sorry. All women groups, Nano Yelita, or Tikroma, and yet Matamuto Maho, Messi Akola way a card denko break your fear Pukia wari. If you are Pukia Kunu, what was so dear if you are Pukia Tema, Nikunu found me, or Betty Nikuna did Nagana for near Bo and this for. Have a Kokuman who see I'm from Maramana. Kokuman who shinimu pepe.
More fire. More fire. More fire. Fire bend them.
Yeah, me did Okatakyie Afrifa.
More fire.
Eba somo. Me dey see her. Wednesday we shall be back.
More fire.
Bye bye.
More fire. More fire.